This might just be one of the easiest things you'll ever cook on a barbecue, but I guarantee you this, it will be one of the first things to disappear. Creamy camembert wrapped in smoky bacon, glazed with a maple syrup and cooked until golden, crispy and perfectly melted. 3 ingredients, almost no effort, and it tastes incredible. Let's get started, and we're going to start with our cheese, and of course we're using a camembert. I've got the La Rustique brand, but use whatever one you can get hold of, but most of the supermarkets seem to have these in. My daughter absolutely loves them and will wolf that whole thing down on her own. So we're going to put that to one side for the moment, and we're not going to score that or anything. I want to keep it whole as it is. And here a whole pack of streaky bacon. I've gone for smoked just to add a little bit more of a smoky flavour to this. And onto some greaseproof paper. What I want to do is fan this bacon all the way around because it's going to house that camembert in it. So I just tend to stretch it out a little bit like that. So just pull it out a little bit and just keep repeating that process until we've basically got a full circle. And that's it, our last piece on there. There's no gaps as far as I can see. Whoever gets that bit is in for a real treat. That's where the mound of bacon is. Get your camembert, plonk it in the middle. And this is why I put it on the greaseproof paper. I find it easier to work with. I'm going to fold up one of those sides. Just like that. Just make sure it's getting nicely covered. Then we're going to come in there. And then with there. Just pull it off with your fingers as you're going around. Again. Hopefully you're getting a good shot of this. Again. Just pull it up if needs be. And then our last side there. And then just tidy it up with your hands. Like that. We'll plonk that on there. Just pat it all in. And there we have it, one bacon wrapped camembert. Okay, so that is now ready to go. As with all my recipes, it can be cooked indoors or outdoors, whatever your cooking device, preheat it to 180°C. I'm obviously cooking mine on the barbecue and we're going to be cooking it indirectly. And I'm actually going to place this directly onto the grill grate. If you feel happier doing so, you can always place it on some foil or into a cast iron pan. So let's get it on the grill. And we're going to cook this indirectly, so over this side, I'm going to brush it with a little bit of maple syrup, just over that top bit there, a little bit around the sides. This is going to cook for probably about 10 minutes initially before we flip it over. And then of course, you're going to want your camembert with a bit of bread. So that's one of those ready to bake oven rolls. We're going to leave that now, those 10 minutes, and then we'll flip it over. Okay, so that's had its 10 minutes. We're going to flip that over gently. Try not to burn my fingers. You've got to be careful with this camembert, guys, because it does expand. So you are going to get a little bit of seepage, not too much, hopefully. The roll is done. We're going to remove that and we're going to brush this with a little bit more of that maple syrup. Oh, yeah. Actually, I'm going to put plenty of it on. There we go, another 10 minutes and we should be done. This is done. Let's get it out, get it onto our board here. I cannot wait to tuck in to this one. Let's have a little cut open. I've got my bread here all nicely chopped. Let's cut in, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh yeah, let's open it up. It is hot. Oh, look at that. Lovely, gooey camembert. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, so let's get our bread up onto that board. And of course, I'm going to tuck in. Let's give this a whirl. I'm going to wipe some off the other board. Oh, it looks so good. Who doesn't love camembert? Oh, let's wrap it around. Cheers. That is excellent. Got that lovely, melty, creamy cheese. And I'm going to try it now. I know If you get a little bit of this bacon on the outside, it's got a sweetness, a smokiness that you should die for. Just works so well. I'm calling it a recipe, it's not. It's so simple. Anyone can do this. Do it on the barbecue, as I said before. Do it inside, in your oven. Either way, that is a great combo. That I can't get enough of. Very, very good. That is a barbecue win for sure. Guys, that's it from me for today. I really appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel or you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share, comment, and if you've got a hype button, I'd really appreciate one of those. I'll put all of the details of today's bacon maple wrapped camembert down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.